I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Psalm 91 verse 2. Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovista channel. Trust that you're doing well. Today on the menu we have some juicy, tender and delicious. Not only that, they are so good looking as well. These are known by Ghanaians as Kyinkyinga or kebabs, but worldwide it is known as Skewers. Please hang out with me today while we go through this together. Stay tuned. Let's take a quick tour of our ingredients. Here I have beef, that is one of the most popular you could find, and here I have some boneless chicken, and the kids favorite however is sausage and minced meat. That is what we're going to use for our kebabs today. And to make the kebabs colorful and pretty, we're using 2 onions, minced bell peppers, these are always so colorful in dishes, 1 carrot, Suya spice mix, and my grill oil. I do have my Suya spice mix recipe up here, so I'll just link it up here for you. That is stick that I'll be using to bind everything together. I have washed my meat neatly with water and some lime, and I will go ahead to season my meat with my Suya spice mix. Because it's homemade, I'm going to overload it with my Suya spice, mix it well together, and go in with my grill oil. This is all round seasoning, and yes, that is pretty much it. It is so easy, very easy. The grill oil here brings a lot of flavor and also helps the Suya spice to stick onto my meat. Yes, if you do not have this type of grill oil, you can just sprinkle a little bit of olive oil on top and it's just great. I'll pretty much use this same method to all the remaining meats that I have. Only exception is going to be my sausage. With that one, I will skip the grill oil part. That is the only difference. Okay, this is very easy and it will always come out so great. Once all the vegetables has been cut, let me tell you, everything is coming to place. Now let's work a little bit on this sausage. I'm going to go ahead and bisect it so that I will fill those cuts with my Suya spice. It is going to be so yummy. The kids absolutely love this so much. And ta-da-da-da! We are done with all our kebabs. They are looking absolutely amazing. You now understand the importance of having Suya spice at home. Like, it will make all your girl one of a kind. So please do well to try the Suya spice mix as well, and try the simple kebab recipe. So yes, we are getting it ready for the oven, and yes, this is just beautiful. All that beautiful color just reminds me of summer, somewhere sunny, somewhere warm. Yes, we are preparing for our summer holidays. So yes, this is definitely a must have. Summer must have pa. You have to put it on the list. Otherwise, your summer is not just completed. Or any other event at all, this has to be present. And I put it in the oven for a total of 45 minutes. And look at all those juices found. Look at that. Yes, because I wanted every meat to have the same kind of treatment here, I'm going to put the top ones at the bottom and then just flip the bottom ones on top, so that every one of this meat have fair share of those juices, because it is just so yummy. Yum yum yum. Back in the oven for additional 20 minutes, and my meat is done, and they are well grilled together to perfection, just the way I like it. Even the vegetables are looking just perfectly grilled, and you will not tell me that you're not going to eat veggies. No, even if you run away from veggies, this is going to persuade you to have them in your mouth, because everything on this steak is just so yum. Yes, our meat is ready to be consumed. Just look at that. You are so much invited. Yes, you are welcome. And we had it with our spaghetti jollof. Yes, dinner at the Adair's were so lit, y'all. I will share this spaghetti jollof recipe with you. I intentionally took that kanzo spaghetti jollof that made kanzo out of it. It just yummy yummy yum. I hope to share with you in the near future. It was so delicious, and yes, everyone was just so happy, and as a mother, my job was completed. That's it for today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey Starch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for new recipes every week. Thank you so much for watching once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.